In this video, I'll explain how we use Reddit's advanced targeting to achieve results that make Meta and Google cry with envy. Most people run Reddit ads completely wrong. They use the same targeting strategy that they use on Meta or Google, and then they wonder why the results aren't as good. But Reddit does have advantages over Meta and Google, which I'm going to cover in this video. If you understand this one secret, Reddit can become one of the most powerful and profitable advertising platforms available to you. And that secret is community-based targeting. Let me explain. Every advertising platform has its strengths. If you're targeting keywords, Google will give you the best results because people searching on Google have higher buyer intent. So you'll probably get better results there, albeit it can be expensive depending on your niche. If you're doing demographics and interest-based targeting, Meta will almost certainly give you better results because it knows who people are, it knows their behaviors and their interests, and it just seems to be able to target people better than Reddit can with demographics and interest. I think this is because people use Meta platforms for far longer than they do Reddit, so you can get more touch points and more opportunities to make those sales. But Reddit is different. Reddit is built around communities. Millions of communities where people actively discuss specific topics that they care deeply about. This is where Reddit becomes incredibly powerful because you're not targeting people based on what they searched or who they are or the interests that they hold. You're targeting people based on what they care about enough to talk about frequently. For example, we've seen huge success advertising telescopes directly inside astronomy communities. These are people who passionately care about that topic. They don't need convincing. They're already highly engaged in the topic, so we just show our clients products to them whilst they're eagerly discussing astronomy, and the sales come really easily, driving a 50 times return on ad spend at scale. We've seen huge success selling Viking clothing for Viking warrior shirts by targeting communities where people actively discuss Viking history, reenactments, and high-end costumes. Again, these people already identify with the product, so we just get the relevant products in front of them at the right time. And we've seen incredible results advertising fertility services inside communities where people openly discuss fertility challenges. These are highly relevant, highly engaged audiences, and all we do is advertise our clients free 15-minute consultations so that they can speak to a genuine expert. Now, if you've been following this channel for a while, you know we talk a lot about getting the offer right and de-risking the entry point where a lead comes into your business. This type of marketing is incredibly powerful. This is the key difference on Reddit. The power isn't broad targeting. It's in finding the exact communities where your ideal customers already spend their time engaging around topics relevant to your products or services. Because when your products appear in a community where people already care deeply about the topic, your ads don't even feel like ads. They're highly, highly relevant. And that's why Reddit ads, when done correctly with community-based targeting, can outperform massively any other platform that you're using. So if you're going to give Reddit ads a go, make sure that you go all in, find those super niche communities and purely narrow your targeting down to them. That's where we have seen the success in our agency. If you're targeting demographic and interest-based behaviors, then we find that Meta almost always outperforms Reddit, and certainly when you're targeting keyword-based searches, Google advertising is still the king because of that higher intent. But community-based targeting can be a massive win for you. So give it a go. If you're struggling, drop a comment in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.